wearing a piece of the Battle of Britain. This watch contains real metal from a World War II Spitfire Mk1a. This is the REC X4009, and it's designed around the same principles as the World War II Dirty Dozen military watches. Those watches weren't jewelry. They were tools, built for legibility, reliability, and survival. You see it here: clean Arabic numerals, high contrast dial, clear minute track. Everything is readable at a glance. This isn't a reissue. It's a modern watch that respects a wartime design. The aluminium in this small seconds dial comes from the Spitfire Mk1a X4009, flown by Australian fighter ace Pat Hughes during the Battle of Britain. That exact aircraft flew combat missions in 1940, and was the aircraft Pat Hughes was flying when he was killed in action. This watch literally carries that history. REC's philosophy is recover, recycle, reclaim, taking historic machines and giving them a second life. Every X4009 is unique. No two dials are the same. This is wearable aviation history, not inspired by it, but made from it. Follow Joe Tour Aviation for the upcoming unboxing video of the X4009 watch and a Pat Hughes review.